What a beauty this place is. What a beauty. Just don't want to move from here. So content. So content. This is why we ride. This is why we ride. So it's Saturday today and I'm out for a ride in the Western Ghats, having my breakfast in this view. That's my Karizma. Those are the mountains behind, and here as well. That is a dam. I'm not yet sure what dam that is. Balkawadi, I think. And Saturday cannot get better than this. So till the time I enjoy the view, you go back and see how the day started for me, and we'll catch again. Okay, so it would be around 7:45 and we are heading for Y. So until unless we get on the highway, it's going to be a bit of struggle. Lovely Saturday morning. Hope it just remains like this and doesn't rain, but we'll see about that. त्याच्यात मेमरी कार्ड आहे दादा, मेमरी कार्ड आहे, मेमरी कार्ड. मेमरी कार्ड साइज वरती आहे. So the last stop was a bit longer one to put phone for charging, resetting the Odo and all of that. So since now we are going to get on the highway, I don't think so we need to stop again. I think we only need to stop if it starts raining, so that I can put rain cover on myself and on the bags. So far so good.
What's the rush? Neon lights will be glowing every night. In the city, always the same. Keeping up, playing dead. At least that's what you said. Camera lights, that's the game. So girl, give me a lesson too. I'll go.
That was quick. Every time I get on my Karizma and out on the highway, it takes me back to my first ride, first long distance ride. That was Pune to Hyderabad back in 2013. And one of the reasons I'm still holding on this bike is because whenever I ride it, it just pulls me back to the roots, how it all started. It just takes me back to that time. You know, it keeps me grounded, as you could say. As they say, never forget your roots, something like that.
That's the start. Got the motion, got the heart, but this city stays the same. Giving up, playing dead.
So we are on the exit, the Mahabaleshwar or Y exit. Oi, I didn't see that. And we have to take a right turn under this bridge. I'm just going to take a look at the camera also if everything is getting recorded. तो जो मैं बड़े कर रहा हूँ, it will be waste. So we are in Y right now, and somewhere here we have to take a exit. Right exit. I think I know which that would be. Okay, so this is the turn. So it's going to take 1 more hour from here, 32 kilometers. It just got out of the highway. My mind is still wired to write like I'm on the highway, but we are not, so just take it easy. And I like the sunshine, I'm not complaining today. Usually when I'm riding, I prefer to listen to music to keep myself awake, or not get bored when there is absolutely no scene or scenery, or just long highways. But today I don't need any music because it's just so refreshing to be out of the house after, I don't know what, 20 days. The last ride that I did was around 2 weeks back. 2 weeks back I went to, where did I go? Oh, Marshes. Yeah, the video which I have put. So if you have not checked that video, do check. Yeah, so I was saying after 20 days I'm out of the house and I don't feel bored.
Really changing. A mistake turns into a wonder. Makes everything better. And heartache, so rare it will disappear. Makes everything better.
Dhom Dharan is here and it's closed. Okay, no problem. I don't know if you can see, but there is this very beautiful waterfall. I saw a few small waterfalls, but the camera was off. I hope my camera is recording it. Oh, better keep my attention down here. And it's raining. The rain is in the air, but oh, there's one there, there's one there. Nice. This is a slippery road. Yeah, it has potential to take you down if you're not careful. 30 more minutes to go till we reach our destination.
Do everything you do. A mistake turns into a wonder. Makes everything better. Heartache, so rare it will disappear.
Ho ho! Wow. There's a waterfall there, very beautiful waterfall. I hope I get a better view than this. It's difficult to ride here because the view, you just cannot concentrate on the road, but that's okay. Go straight. Nice temple. I don't know what temple it is, but it was nice. काम चालू आहे. ओके, कुठे रे बाबा? The weather is so cooperative today that It has not drenched me. I might keep my fingers crossed. It should not. But then it just, makes the experience very nice. And in monsoon, you are traveling on bike and it doesn't rain. Oh, that's the dam. Yeah. Okay, finally काम चालू है. Keep your eyes on the road, buddy. Take a left here. Left. Oh, look at this. This is better than the spot that I had stopped for. Just look at this. I don't know if you can see, there are waterfalls there. There are just waterfalls everywhere, man. I mean, what a beauty this place is. What a beauty. You have water, you have mountains, you have waterfall. What a beauty. Just don't want to move from here. I just don't want to move. So content. So content. This is why we ride. This is why we ride. I'm just gonna soak in the moment for a while.
As you can see, I was very much moved by this place. I was alone here, between the nature, and the feeling was just surreal. I literally had tears of joy in my eyes as I stood here. Capturing all this experience and emotions and then presenting it to you guys was becoming challenging to me. To keep the experience raw and honest, I'm going to make a part 2 of this video very soon. If you enjoyed this video so far, do click like. And if you are eager to watch the next part, do consider subscribing. See you soon in the next one. Till then, remember, good rides create good vibes. And there is no other ride of mine so far that suits this quote better than this one. Cheers.